We made it to Henrico. It took longer than we thought, or I thought. But we were going backpacking, bike packing. Gearbox bike is doing awesome. It's in gear number 1. Downhill. Priority bike with the panniers. And I do not have knobby tires. Oh yeah! Woo! I have a handsaw, but we're not cutting this one out. Well, we made it better. Little pigs hiking up the hill there. Pacheco Falls. This is the gorge that exits into Pacheco Falls. We are way out in Henrico, and this is a really good example of Henrico backcountry single track. To the left is the wilderness boundary. To the right is the just land in the public park. And we're on the single track trail that has no bike marks on it, no foot marks on it. It's almost completely revegetated in spots. Pretty fun. We are looking for water in Henrico. This is Hartman Creek, and on the topo there is water in this creek, and there's a little pond up here. It's kind of a tough way to end the day because tomorrow we wanted to look for a trail up this peak in the wilderness area, but we have no water, and so we can't do that if we don't have water. So this is kind of our last hope. There's no water up here. We have to bike back about 2.5 miles to this barrel we found on a picnic table that has water in it. There's water in that barrel, and we need water to camp. So this is us for tonight. I didn't even use Ziploc bags this trip because I wasn't worried about the Tupperware weight. So just one night, waste less plastic. It is a cold, frosty morning here. Got frost on everything. And the valve in that water barrel was completely frozen, so I used the stove to melt it out to get water. Definitely winter camping here. Slept for a long time, which was really nice. And I'm still nursing this cold, but very grateful to be in Henrico. Definitely my favorite bike packing location in the Bay Area. The watch is reading 24 degrees Fahrenheit, which is below 0 on the Celsius scale. Should have known better. Feeling like an amateur. Water's totally frozen. Morning day 2. We are gonna go bike up the road again. Let things dry out and see what we see. Little coyote up there. Oh! Oh!
I'd say this road is just so un-Henrico.
We have reached the boundary of Rooster Combe. No trespassing on the Rooster Combe Ranch. So, have to go into the wilderness here. We're gonna turn around, see if that trail is actually a trail or if it's completely revegetated. And then we're gonna start the long way back home out of this bikepacking trip. Sometimes the trails here have signs, but they don't exist. And sometimes they don't have signs because they burned down and they don't exist. But this actually looks pretty good. All right, we are back from the day hike. Shelter's a lot drier. Time to pack up and bike home. Gearbox bike, some first gear. Felt a little squeaky from the mud. Overall, it is really good. So that little saddle's where we're going. Basically, climb up that road, descend down this road. Whee! So we dropped down to about 1,650 feet. So that means the next climb shouldn't be too much more than like 400 feet actually. Could be nice. Oh boy. Always a little nervous about striding a tire on a sharp river rock. Let's see if we can get through here. Oh boy. Did it. And now we can get water at Pacheco. 2,010 feet. We'll drop down to Pacheco camp. Get some water, get some lunch. Woohoo! We made it to Pacheco camp. Clean water. Food snacks. Cashews. Pilot bread has 28 holes in each cracker. Started eating this when I lived in Alaska in the bush. We are climbing out of Pacheco camp. Virgin Explorers. Heading towards something that's labeled a spring on the map, so we'll see if there's water there. Not that we need water, but always trying to find where good water is in this Diablo mountain range. Adding into some more single track. Stock priority bike with panniers.
Oh, King of Kings, we kneel before you, Father, appealing, asking for peace in the rest of the country.
So that Thule Pond descent on my stock Priority 600 was so much fun. It did really well. And now we're on the Grizzly Gulch exit here. So we'll see how this goes. Oh man, that was everything that I love about Henrico. Lots of oak trees you have to duck under. Super steep, single track, rocky, just kind of had it all. Now we're in this gorgeous gulch, biking home.
Before you, Father, appealing, asking for peace in the rest of the country. Our Father, we are asking for peace in the world. Our Father, we are asking for peace in the world. Our Father, we are asking for peace in the world. Our Father, we are asking for peace in the world.
Alrighty.
Reveal yourself, reveal yourself, reveal yourself, reveal yourself, reveal yourself, reveal yourself. because we are directing to you, Almighty. We are directing to you, forever, Almighty. The sun rise and set, set and rise and set, sunrise and set, forever, Almighty.
Hope the axle doesn't break.
Our Father, set
Ooh, this obstacle.
for I am with thee. Heal not dismay, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee. Yea, I will help thee. Yea, I will uphold thee with my right hand of my righteousness. Reveal yourself.
Just kind of
Reveal
commuting to the
yourself.
fall line.
Reveal yourself. Reveal yourself. Reveal yourself. Reveal yourself. Reveal yourself. Reveal from her. Reveal yourself. Reveal yourself. Reveal yourself. Reveal from her. Reveal yourself. Reveal yourself. The sun rise and set forever.
She did it.
The sun rise and set.
I wasn't sure how I was gonna go, but it just kind of went.
The sun rise and set.
Alright, we are officially
forever, Almighty.
the entrance/exit.
Reveal yourself, reveal yourself, Almighty.
Carry the
Because we
bike.
are directing to you forever, Almighty. Because we are directing to you forever, Almighty. Reveal yourself, Almighty. Because we are directing to you forever, Almighty. Because we are directing to you forever, Almighty. Reveal yourself, Almighty.
Long trip.
Reveal yourself.
It was not epic.
Reveal yourself.
It's very good.